Power's good. Laze him, laze him, laze him. Time to laze him, laze him, laze him. There we go.
Got the position?
Yeah, he got it. Got a good position.
Okay.
Just driving back.
I got a mortar of 3. I got him in sight, right? 3 o'clock? Is that the light in sight right there?
3,
oh,
yep, 3 o'clock.
Got him in sight.
Okay. Let's go ahead over there.
I mean, I think he's talking about a double lift.
Yeah, he was talking about a double lift.
I think we just need to get him out of the...
Yeah.
Like, quicker the better, and I think...
I don't think we can...
Sling! We gotta get him in! Quick! Just a sling!
Sling?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree, sling.
Alrighty. You guys ready to do this thing? You ready?
Yeah, swimmer's ready. Ready to begin the hoist?
Begin the hoist.
Alright, bring the swimmer out to cabin door for load check. Load check and swimmer. And load check complete, swimmer's going down. Swimmer's halfway down. Easy forward and right. And hold position.
Holding.
And he's up swell, swimmer's in the water. And swimmer's approaching the survivor now.
Roger. And swimmer and survivor in sight.
Lift back off just a little bit.
Back off?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Say again. Say again.
How's that?
And rescue swimmer, he's giving us the sling.
It's like he's on top of the sling?
Sling.
Okay. And we got 30 for pickup?
Ready, pickup signal.
Alright, begin the hoist.
Roger, have the survivor and swimmer in sight. And let's just con in a little bit more.
Okay.
So let's go forward and right 20. Forward and right 15. Forward and right 5.
Move this.
And easy forward and right.
Right there in the water.
There you are in the water and hold position.
Hold.
And I'm going to get the sling down.
Roger.
Easy left.
Here, 55 feet looking good.
And hold position. Swimmer and survivor are at the sling. And
altitude.
easy right.
Coming right.
And hold position.
Holding.
And easy left. Hold position. He's calling us to back off. So easy back and left. We're going catenary.
Little climb for correcting, looking good.
Roger.
And swimmer's trying to get the sling around the survivor still.
I think I got a thumbs up. Did you see that?
It might have been a thumbs up. And let's go easy forward and right.
Here, 50 feet looking good.
Okay, coming forward and right.
And got the slack out, so keep coming forward and right. And easy right. And hold position. Prepare to take the load. Taking the load. Swimmer and survivor are clear of the water, and you're clear back and left.
Holding here.
Roger. And swimmer and survivor are coming up. Swimmer and survivor are just below the cabin door. Swimmer and survivor are just outside the cabin door.
Roger.
Bringing the swimmer and survivor inside the cabin. And they're still outside the cabin door. Trying trying to ease them in.
Okay.
And swimmer and survivor are inside the cabin. Hoist complete.